Good day everybody, it is I, Grayzy. I'm out in the woods today, setting up camp, getting some firewood, and I found a downed cedar tree and I'm processing everything down for firewood. However, I need a fire starter, so let's have a look what we can use to get that fire going. So this cedar tree is one of my favourite trees because it's so versatile. It is highly resinous. The only thing about it is that I don't like is the fact that because there's so many air pockets and once they heat up, they have a tendency to spit out loads of hot coals, which is the only bad thing about it. However, it's also great for making rope as well. The bark, which I've done in a previous video, however, the bark is also great to make tinder. So let's have a quick look on how we extract the fibres we need to make the bird's nest or the tinder that we really need. So this tree's been down for quite a while, however, it's still really good for what it is. It's only the bark that's a bit damp, which is the exact bit I need. So for this you will need your saw. You need a saw away from you, so I'm stood behind the saw. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just shallow cut and saw, and then just don't go too mad, just because I want to try and keep all this fibre as much as I can. Now this is quite damp, so I'm going to just have to try and collect loads and then dry it out. And then we've got some more. And there you have it, a quick tip on how to get natural tinder, nice fluffy. Either put it as it is, put it into a bird's nest, and then throw a spark on it. Ferro rod, lighter, chuck some fat wood in if you want to, but hey, it's entirely up to you. Go out, have some fun, and stay safe.